Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note5 and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to tap apps, let's choose settings, scroll down to the general management and let's tap it. Here you have to choose reset and select reset settings from the top of the screen. Tap reset settings again, and to confirm the whole operation, tap reset settings one more time. So the device is restarting the factory settings of the Samsung Galaxy Note5. You have to be patient and wait until the device restarts itself. Excellent. Networks, the whole settings are restored to the factory one. Now you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.